What's up, y'all? Let's show you how to make a beer can chicken. Hey y'all, Corey from Lane's here. Beer can chicken is not only a fun way to do a chicken, but when done right, to me, makes some of the juiciest chicken I've ever had in my life. It's kind of controversial. Some people say it doesn't really do much, but at the end of the day, it's fun and you get to have a beer, so why not? Let's show you how to make it. All right, so there's really two steps to a beer can chicken: seasoning and putting it on the can and putting it on the grill. That's really all there is to it. I got a hankering for some tacos, so I'm gonna use some of our Fiesta and our chili lime, a little Tex-Mex flavor, and we're putting it on a Corona, so we're gonna make some tacos. First thing I'm gonna do is hit this chicken up with some duck fat spray, just to help the seasoning cling onto the chicken. All right, first layer, a little bit of this chili lime. Now I'm gonna come over the top of some of this Fiesta seasoning. And then the Fiesta's got your cumin, cilantro, salt, pepper, garlic. All these flavors together make a heck of a rub for tacos, any kind of meat, steak, chicken, pork, you name it. The bird's seasoned up. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the setup for the beer can. My personal favorite way to do it is just one of these cheap aluminum trays. Save yourself some cleanup, that way it can just be thrown away, and it'll give yourself some stability to hold the chicken up. You can put it straight on the grill. It just can, depending on your grill, can be harder to get it to actually balance and stand up. So I've got our Corona right here. You need the beer can to be about half full. It's easier to do this with a room temperature beer, so I wouldn't drink it because I like my beer cold. So I'm gonna take half of it and pour it out into the pan. That way we can actually use this for steam as well for even more moisture. So I've got about half of it in there, beer right in the middle. Since we're doing tacos, I'm gonna add a little flavor into the beer as well. You don't have to do this, this is an optional. So I'm gonna put a little lime into the beer, just to add some extra flavor. The beer doesn't actually do a lot flavor-wise, so adding these in can just boost the flavor that's going into the inside of the chicken. Got some lime in there, and I'm just gonna shove a little bunch of cilantro down there too. All right, now we're ready for the chicken. All right, so there's no polite or graceful way to do this. We're gonna shove this beer can up this chicken's south side. Chicken, pre-seasoned, Lion King. Center it up, right down on there. And then just use the can as like a natural tripod with the legs to get it to stand up. Once you feel like you got some good balance, you're ready to go. All right, for this I banked the meathead charcoal off to one side, and then I've got a block of cutting edge firewood in there for some smoke. I'm gonna throw this chicken on. I'm gonna try to keep my temp somewhere between 3 and 350, just because I want a super extra crispy skin with still getting some smoke on it, so throw it on here. Be careful and make sure that our chicken stays balanced on the can right there. Now we're good to go. 45 minutes to an hour, then I'm gonna start checking temps. All right, our beer can chicken is done. Instant read thermometer read 165 in the breast. Also, instant read thermometer, this is your best friend. You'll hear me talk about this all the time. Get one if you don't have one. We're gonna make some tacos with this, so we're gonna shred it up and go from there. But that's a beer can chicken, guys. All right, we hope you like this video. Let us know below what you like to do with leftover chicken. Smoke that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.